Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Brex for card controls and accounting exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Brex account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on settings to access various options. Next, find the card controls section within the settings menu. Click on Card Controls to view your card management options. Here, you'll see options to manage spending limits and transaction types. To authenticate Brex for card controls, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once two-factor authentication is set up, return to the Card Controls section. Proceed to customize your card controls according to your adjust settings such as spending limits, card status, and transaction categories. After setting your card controls, save your changes to ensure they are applied. Next, to export accounting data, go back to the dashboard. Locate the Reports section on the side menu. Click on Reports to access various reporting options. Select the type of report you wish to export, such as transaction details. Choose the date range for the report to narrow down your data. Additionally, select the format in which you want to export the report. Formats may include CSV, PDF, or other options available. After selecting your preferences, click on the Export button. Wait for the system to generate your report. Once completed, the report will be available for download. Open the downloaded file to verify the data is accurate and complete. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated Brex for card controls and exported your accounting data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.